Here we are on South Plaza Island, which is a satellite island of Santa Cruz, our second largest island in Galapagos. And it's very interesting, the diversity that we find so close to another island, but so unique at the same time. We have a very dense population of Galapagos land iguanas. Now, over the years, we've had the introduction of some invasive species, small mice being one of them, and that has damaged this ecosystem a great deal, which has affected the other species living here, in particular the Galapagos land iguana. So here we've started a restoration project of the Puntia prickly pear on this island. The Puntia prickly pears were damaged by the invasive species, these mice. The land iguanas need more food, and so to recuperate the population, we need to restore the Puntia prickly pear. We have water boxes which allow accumulation of water, a wick system that allow a much quicker growth rate of the Puntia prickly pear, so we can do a fairly fast restoration of this. These water boxes are also surrounded by fencing to prevent the land iguanas from devouring before they reach maturity and are able to reproduce. Conservation is not an easy process. It takes a lot of hard work in many years to do restoration. Luckily here in the Galapagos we have a high percentage of our biodiversity intact in comparison to pre-human discovery.
Here it seems like there's a constant awareness and consideration of how invasive species affect so much special wildlife here. And so I think that the rest of the world can look at Galapagos and say, it's incredible what's there, but it's also kind of incredible what's everywhere. And just bring greater awareness to what can we do to preserve all of that beautiful wildlife that exists around the globe, but is maybe not appreciated in quite the same way.